All right, seventh graders, I thought I'd do one more video just to help you think through what should be getting turned in for your Rhythm and Flow project. At this point, the only checkpoint that might not be done is checkpoint 6, although that should be getting done by Friday for sure. If you are still working on reading journal, let's make sure you at least have 2 entries done on that. On checkpoint 6, the graphic organizer, under the resources, you have 3 different resources that might be helpful. One is an example of the organizer that I did, so you can see what a finished one might look like. Then you also have a poem analysis completed model that you can see what that document should look like. And I want you to pay attention to the header, to the way that the document is laid out, and that it's double spaced. And then lastly, you have this document for me that kind of maps out the order in which you might do your analysis. So you would have your header, and then you'd have the title of your poem, and then this would be the order that your sentences go in. So that might also be helpful for you when you're working on that final product. Then on your final product choice board, you're going to choose 2 activities. They do not have to be in a row, even though it says here are 2 activities that are in a row. It doesn't matter to me if they're not in a row. Just pick 2 off of there that you would like to do, and then these will be presented in some way to the class, and I will score you on oral presentation for one of the rubric scores for that project. I think that covers everything. If you do happen to have all that done, then make sure you're keeping track of focus areas that are due on January 6th or 7th, just so those don't sneak up on you when you come back from Christmas. I think that's all for now.